What is up, guys? Matt Palin here. Happy Tuesday. And today I got a package right here. And it is from an Instagram person I want to give away on. So his name is tgrayj18. So go give him a follow on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram down below for you guys to follow him. So make sure you follow him so you can keep up for his giveaways and stuff. So here we go. Put this unboxing. It's like a big box. Can't even open it. I got that off. Oh, by the way, guys, I also want the broccoli. It's coming from Double King Figs too, so that's coming separate, so you'll see that too in the coming videos, so that's cool. Trying to get bad boy open. Really like hard to open. They really don't. They put a lot of tape on this. Oh my goodness. It's so hard to open. Oh, we get it open outside. We're opening it. We get it in there. We're almost in there. There we go, guys. Voila, here we go. Here's some. It's hard to get bags. Sweet. So now let's see what's in here. Hold on, just making sure. Nothing got in here. Oh wow, sweet. Paper bag. That's garbage. So now here we go. This is what's inside. Oh, I love bubble wrap. King bubble wrap too, guys. That's pretty cool. Now here we go. I'm not joking. This is awesome, guys. Wow. The new Funko Pop of this. Andre the Giant. And also Walmart exclusive Hulk Hogan. Pretty cool. Almost done here, guys. More bubble wrap, more everything. For your Funkos, here's what it is right here. Pretty cool, and kind of with that t-shirt too inside for the Funkos. Oh yeah, Walmart. This was a bonus one too. And last but not least, that 8x10 inside. So here we go. Here they are. Voila. Look at this. Hold on. You put them all together. Hold on. You're going to like who it is. This is so cool. It's 2 8x10. Hold on. X-Pack. And, of course, the King of Bros, Matt Riddle. There he is right here, Matt Riddle. Pretty cool. So, that is from the giveaway that I won. And there's another one that's coming. It's the Rock Elite. So, that's coming. So, get ready for that. So, guys, once again, hope you all enjoyed this video. So, guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and I'll put his Instagram down below for you guys to go get him a follow. So, guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See you on Happy Tuesday.